Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the GoHenry Prepaid card for kids. The GoHenry Prepaid card is a great tool for teaching children the value of money and helping them develop good financial habits. To get started, you will need to sign up for a GoHenry account online or through the mobile app. Once you have created an account, you will be able to order a prepaid card for your child. The card will be shipped to your home address and should arrive within a few days. When the card arrives, you will need to activate it by logging into your account and following the activation instructions. You will also need to set up a PIN for the card to prevent unauthorized use. One of the key features of the GoHenry Prepaid card is the ability to set spending limits and controls. You can set daily or weekly spending limits, and also restrict where the card can be used. For example, you can block the card from being used at certain types of merchants, such as tobacco or liquor stores. You can also use the GoHenry app to transfer money onto the card and to monitor your child's spending. The app provides a clear and easy to understand breakdown of all transactions, and you can also set up alerts to notify you when the card is used. In addition to the spending controls, the GoHenry Prepaid card also provides a range of educational tools and resources to help children learn about money management. These include budgeting tools, savings goals, and financial lessons. To use the card, your child simply needs to present it at the checkout or enter the card details online. The card can be used anywhere that Visa is accepted, and there are no foreign transaction fees. As a parent, you have complete control over the card and can freeze or cancel it at any time if you suspect that it has been lost or stolen. You can also use the app to block certain types of transactions, such as online purchases or ATM withdrawals. Overall, the GoHenry Prepaid card is a great way to teach children the value of money and to help them develop good financial habits. By following these steps, you can help your child get the most out of their GoHenry Prepaid card and set them up for a lifetime of financial responsibility.